Hare Krishna, I am Girinandita from Rhythmic Rhythms. Today let's explore the 40th verse of the Hanuman Chalisa, the last verse. तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा कीजय नाथ हृदय महडेरा. Let's understand it line by line. Tulsidas Sada Harichera. This means Tulsidas, the poet, calls himself a humble servant of Lord Hari and Hanuman. Kijayanath Hridaya Mahadera. This means he prays to Hanuman to stay forever in his heart and bless him with devotion. What does this verse teach us? This verse teaches us that keeping Hanuman in our heart fills life with devotion, courage, and divine grace. With this, we have completed all the 40 verses of the divine Hanuman Chalisa. What a beautiful journey this has been. Every week, every verse, every line has brought us closer to strength, devotion, courage, and divine wisdom, just like Hanumanji himself. But today is not the end. In fact, this is the beginning of something much more powerful. Because the Hanuman Chalisa is not just a prayer, it is a lifelong companion that protects us, inspires us, and guides us. If you felt even little bit of peace, devotion, or happiness while learning with me, then I invite you from my heart. Subscribe to Rhythmic Rhythms, like this video, share it with your friends who love Hanumanji, and rewatch these explanations whenever you need strength. Your one small action becomes seva, devotional service, and it helps this divine message reach thousands of hearts. And yes, our journey is not over. I will be creating more inspirational videos. So stay tuned because many more divine adventures are coming in your way. Thank you for being with me through all 40 verses. Thank you so much. You made this journey magical. Until we meet again in the next video, stay blessed, stay devoted, and keep chanting Jai Hanuman, Jai Shri Ram. Hare Krishna.